Morning guys, Naledi, welcome to my channel. It's another day of the weight loss process journey. So for my breakfast, usually I like having a fruit and a yogurt if I'm not maybe having a cereal or eggs. So here I diced a kiwi. You'll see it's just 2 kiwis and a Parmalat yogurt. I just love Parmalat yogurt. I think they taste better than all the other brands of the yogurts. You can even use this fruit as a snack. You can even have it for supper, after having your meal, maybe as a dessert. So you can do it in 3 ways: a breakfast or a snack or a dessert. So kiwi is the fruit for today. I'll see you in the next video.